Yeah, you can eat now. What are you eating? Show me. What's yours? A little piggy and Cookie
Mila's a
Monster.
piggy and I'm a people.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Cow.
How beautiful is that? So you got a little, what's yours? Yours is a little piggy Cookie Monster. Yummy. Can I try one? Can I try this nose?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mmm.
You can try my eyes.
Mmm. Thank you. I'll try some nose too, maybe. Mmm. Okay. Yummy, yummy. I think this is what you use. I think. Might be wrong. So this is the tent. It's a bubble tent. You can actually remove this curtain and so you can sleep under the stars. It's not too cloudy today. Hopefully we'll get some good views of the stars. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, isn't that nice? And then I think that one you can too, if you want.
This one, you can do that, right?
Yeah, or maybe it's that thing. Having fun, girls?
It's a wasp, Mom.
A wasp? Oh. And let's make sure the wasp doesn't come in here. How do I make sure the wasp doesn't go in there, Nick?
Nose again. Mom.
Go again, look at camera over there.
Ready to go look at some
Glittering.
animals? You want to see some animals? Go put on your shoes. Let's go. Put our shoes on.
Animal time.
Animal time.
Ready, Daddy?
This is where we are.
Ooh, this was harder, Mom.
You want to try it?
Yeah. Hold tight. Yeah. Ava, are you okay? Yeah.
Can you do it,
Yeah,
Ava?
but I will do that. I will do like that.
Hold tight, Ava, yeah?
Mom? Mama?
Yeah?
Mom?
Yes.
Mama? Mom?
Hmm?
Mom? Are you help me to try? Oh, Mom.
Which one do you want to try?
Mom, I want to do that, but how do we put that? Climb up from these so I can do it. But
Yeah.
it's too hard for me, Mom. Look, you hold both and you just climb up.
Oh, let's see.
Really hard, Mom.
Oh, it's wet as well. Yeah, maybe just play up here. You don't need to climb it, huh?
No, hey! Whoa! Yes! Hey! Hey, everybody! How is get here? Mom, how is get here? How is get here, Mom?
Oh, this is a farm.
Dada,
They live on the farm. Maybe they live here.
Mom's right?
Yeah.
Mom, and Dada, you have to do that. I spin round it, Daddy.
That's so good.
Dada.
Ava, Mila, come. Not too close.
The water coming out from the back?
No.
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 Coming out from the back? Should be dripping out.
Ava, don't get your feet wet.
Oh, it is. Slowly.
Not he come. Mom said not he come. I know, but don't be too like. I ain't do by the screen. Mom, no. No.
Was that fun? Did Daddy would do a good job? That wasn't scary, was it?
Then we're gonna catch them. Then we're gonna ask them to get the life sticker. Then we catch fish, right, Daddy?
Yeah, you know. Is Daddy always very
Hey, Ava, how fun was that? Was it really fun?
Can we go out and flag it's gang or no one?
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Is it still there?
How was that?
It's fun.
Sleepy. You've seen the stars. Yeah. So
Let's have a look. Outside. Oh, there's the moon, some stars. Ava, look at us. It's so dark now, yeah? And we've got the curtains open, right? And then, hey, are you excited to see the stars?
Yeah!
Yeah? How excited are you?
From 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
No.
1 to 10.
10. You say 10. 1 means not very excited. 10 means very, very, very excited as you can be.
100.
100. Good. All right. Well, let's... 100. Yeah.
Do it.
All right. We're going to
Count
turn off the
down.
lights. 3, 2, 1.
Love. Oh, I think I need the dollar.
Look at this view. And one of these pretty nice. Very fresh. Isn't it? Very fresh. Look at that. Oh, it's chilly. Very chilly. chilly. Very chilly, isn't it?
Don't put no my face. Very of this waist is my leg and this teeth.
Really?
Oh, I missed him! Oh God! Stop! Someone like race, squish, mayonnaise. No, go away. This is with my leg and juice. Oh, go! I have.
Hi, we're going quad biking. Let's go.